Moving to the next tab. On this tab, we have a number of scores. By the way, the people are fictional. We've just recombined names to make up the names. But we want to see what their midterm exams are. So I will click on here. You can see we're in Table Tools on this one. So I need to first create a pivot table. And there's room in this sheet that I'm going to go ahead and put it here and say OK. Next, I need to put in the scores both in rows, and I'll also put them in as values. But you'll notice here it's summing the values. 2 35s it makes 70. I'm going to change that to do a count. So now 2 scores of 35 are listed, and so forth as you go down the sheet. Next, we'll summarize by grouping. It wants to start with 27 through 100, but I'm going to change this to a 1. Therefore, it will go 1 through 10, 11 through 20, 21 through 30, and so forth. And I'll say OK. That was a quick way to summarize all the scores. We could have done it by 5s as well, or any other number. But let's also introduce charts here. We can come up here and say pivot chart. I could just say insert in charts and it would work as well. And I'll look down here and there we go. As they say, a chart's worth 1,000 words. We don't need this legend, so I'll get rid of it. And let's change the chart title to be something meaningful. Total is not meaningful. You need to have a meaningful title with every chart, even a pivot chart. Now that looks a lot better and something I'd be proud to show my students. You could easily see where you fit into that. Let's move to the next tab.